travel day. Okay, rule number 1 of traveling. Always travel fresh. That means take a shower before you travel. Now that we are fresh, tip número 2. Always, almost always, travel light. Since this is a 3-day trip, I'm gonna pack extra light. Plus, being a minimalist on my clothing helps a lot. Alright, and last, 2 basic things that you can never forget and are more important than the first 2 things that I mentioned are camera bag, which has all my cameras and my gear. Very important, if not the most important thing. And number 2, coffee. You always need coffee when traveling. Okay, now I'm gonna go meet up the guys. So we're here in San Miguel De Allende, but I'm not alone. I actually brought 2 of my best friends. These 2 people right here. I'm gonna introduce you guys to them. Okay, so right now we are going to find a restaurant because we are starving. It was a 3-hour drive, pretty epic drive, but now we're starving.
¿Y qué así de? Devolviéndome cada vez más asiático.
So we came back after we ate and after a little bit of walking, and the 3 of us fell asleep. But I want to show you the Airbnb we got. It's amazing. So epic. I really fell in love with this apartment. Okay, now it's time for a B-roll of the apartment. My 2 friends, Richard and Kike, they went to the store. The store is right around the corner. And I think I can see them from here. Hola. Hola. Hi. Hola. And now we're going to a bar, a cool bar, a rooftop bar. It's supposed to be good. Yesterday's episode left off with us three going to a rooftop bar, and I actually forgot to take footage of that, but we were only there for a couple hours. We only had dinner and a couple drinks and came back. But since yesterday we did not take photos on the city and all its beautiful places, that is what we're going to do right now before we leave to Guanajuato. Okay, even though it looks like I'm wearing the same t-shirt, I'm not. I have a lot of the same t-shirts, but I am going to change my t-shirt for Guanajuato and for the photos in Guanajuato, just so I don't look exactly the same. It's a bit different. There's this amazing street called Street Allende, which is, if not the most photographed street in all of San Miguel De Allende. Take a look at the view. It's pretty epic. So we're gonna set up the camera, some cool pictures, and yeah. Now we got some pictures. We're going to the second location, and I think the last one, because I just needed like 2 or 3 photos for my Instagram. We are on the lookout for, there's this photo of a gas pump from like 1930s, and it's here somewhere. I don't know where. I've seen pictures, but they don't say where it is. We're on the lookout for that because I want a picture there. We've been walking for 10-15 minutes. No one knows what it is. We found it. It was right on the corner over there. Picture, amazing pictures. We got them. I can't wait to edit these photos. Now we're just looking for the car, going back, and now it's time to go to Guanajuato.